There are two SIT ProFlame 2 remotes. You may have this one or this one. Both are the same when it comes to buttons and operations, and both have the same release panels on the back to replace the batteries. After changing the batteries on the ProFlame 2, it is possible that you will lose the thermostat function, as you don't see it on the top corner. This will need to be reprogrammed to regain the function. When the remote is on, you'll need to press the thermostat button, and while holding that down, you got to flip it over, remove the panel, remove one of the batteries, reinstall one of the batteries, and then release the thermostat button, and you will know that you have regained thermostat function by the icon in the top corner.